Gang shit, on little God. Free God. Go! Gang, go to think about the guys. Man, it's really hard living. Well, with that, yeah, you gon' get another feeling. Beat from the back and pull a track. She call me daddy when I'm in the real Olo gang. They got me once, I'ma be back in a minute. Dirty Glocks and fully ops. When you hear that, I'm letting 30 on they block. When I get signed, gon' flip the table. This for all them long nights, we had no food or no cable. And I love my nigga Beezy. He kept me on my feet, and that trapping shit too easy. Flip bowl and get it back. You ain't even gotta teach me. Remember back then they ain't want me. Now the hoes wanna eat me. 4 deep off in the splat. Hit them cars and then we gone. When I get rich, gon' buy a scat. And put all my niggas on real crap. Dummy, I ain't gon' sell like I'm dumb, huh? But risk taker with no mask. If you ever ran from me, gotta run track, cause bitch I'm fast. Got me feeling like I'm broke, gon' try to rob. We on your ass, now I really slide this beat. Get that shit up from the spaz, and I can vouch you OD4. Think about 30 and drops mad. Ride 19 with the 4-5 like he didn't. Crack really on my dick, they tryna live me a menace, and I'm a felon. I don't gotta use 2-6. Rock out Smith & Wesson. Still out showing no pity. Remember I took a bro down, he ain't had nothing but a Smitty. This ain't no damn TikTok, man. I can't wait to catch you, Ricky. Ricky, when I catch you, up at 4-5 to his face, if like he sneeze, I'ma bless you. You ain't never hop out that ride with 30 pop, I ain't tryna wrestle. Hey, who the fuck be having that drink? Off the lean, I feel special. Tell them boys we ain't beefing if they mad about it not. Before say THF, tell him go get his pole back. Man, I'm T. Should've put him on the chasing, I ain't talking, he for speed. 21 up in my lock, got me feeling like MB. Put your trust out that box, man, that shit ain't for me. Really get a nigga gone, I'm talking copy-paste elite. And log my James Kappa 23, I'm on a block, on scope it out. Twins say the car ain't open, I did my magic open now. Thank your chief friend days. 4-for-8 still getting paid, no 9 to 5, ain't no slave. But the jacket many ways, I'm going ham. You know how many niggas can't fight, you drop your gun, you getting slammed. And I don't need that fully marred, but I can't blow without my fan, that's on my baby. Like a soda pop your top, you getting cracked, you try to play me. Put your trust up in that box, you getting popped just for a lace. Nigga hit my line, say he tryna match up, going war all in the fold. The fold was wild, and I won't say that shit no more, but y'all know what's going on. Really up that thing and get a nigga hit. THF will crop you out the pit and tell a guy go do a hit. Bring back the nigga head, I'll throw you 7 like I'm big. By near Trick Creek from the back and tell that thing niggas don't glitch. I jump out on the nigga and say full of James, you feelin' niggas. Nigga gon' say come on bro, I ain't your bro, just kiss Nick. And for the whole diss in my F, you'll never look too good. I'll put your ass up on the shelf, I'll make your mama hurt. I blow the whistle like a ref, I'm too official. I really slide this bitch, she eat a dick, ain't tryna kiss it. This is fast in the bitch like GB 730. How the fuck you smoke J? They chase down cause the digital, y'all ain't need my art. Y'all hit the hood around 4:30. And they be not, y'all ain't no fucking art. I don't got no fucking worry about you niggas, man. Stop fucking playing me, man. Gang with the bitch, full of my heart. Fuck GBG nigga, fuck all that shit. EBK nigga, real up your nose. Gang shit.